back to the terrace. Come west, come west. Stay inside. Chill.
0-0 tanker caller.
Okay. Come west. Everybody come west. Everybody come. See yun, they're using which work engage, okay? Come.
In B.
Stop picking through the walls, boys, okay? Where are they?
Wait ako na saan.
Don't OC. Nobody OC, okay? Nobody OC. Who's the DPS on the east side? Sino yan? Hello? Tawa, fix your roll, tawa. Grave, ginagawa mo dyan, Grave. Stop peeking over the walls, boys! Hello? Stay inside, chill. Updale, careful. They can't do anything unless they break this gate here. Play slow. Bim, careful, Bim, malay healers. Can we come out a little bit? See what they would do? Tapos be ready to stop engages, okay? Can we come out a little bit? Give me eyes on the front lines here. Yo, can we catch this Carnage guy? Yo, kill this guy. Kill this guy. Come. Kill this guy. Be careful. Yeah. Be careful. Come back.
They just engage.
They miss. Yeah, they miss. You're fine. Root mo
Bomb
na.
engaging in the
Bomb squad south.
Yo, come south. Come back. Nagawa mo. Come northwest. Bakit di nagpa-fruit bomb doon? Come northwest. We have 2 engages, guys. 1 DPS. Yung bedrock, focus na lang doon. For the bedrock, focus on that one. Thank you. Come back inside. See yun, come back inside. Terry advantage, bro. Come northwest. All go back. Just chill. You don't need to be pressured by these fuckers. Yo, boys, go on the west side. Go on my ping. Go on the ping. Ify, be careful. Mag-engage yan. Yo, they engage. We need use on the front, please. Right. Dep. Give me use, please. Yung enig, but nas... Dep. Ba't nasa harap yung enig? Yo, counter, southeast, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. And then come back. Dep. Nice. Okay, listen up. Once everybody's here, take your space and then we'll push them. Yo, Dev Tanks, don't mind the engage. Just look for the bomb squad speech. Gabo, Chen Cutie, balik ka na dito. Andy, where are you? Care. Be careful. Look, they're engaging. Ba't yung enig nandun, Chen? Tanong ko lang.
Bosan kayo, boss?
Frostbite siya.
Firebird boss, di ako maka-chat sa gitna.
Teka lang, naglalag ako. Am I dead? I'm not dead.
You're still alive, you're still alive. You're still good.
Here, they're coming. You know what? Come in. Just walk. Tanks, hold them now. Be careful. Do a wide spread. West east, boys. West east. Tanks, hold them now. Stay on, I'm pushing. Ready, dep now. Ready, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. This is everybody.
Oh my god.
Take your space east and west. Top up first. If you're low, top up. Keep walking. Wait now. Bomb squad's gonna hit. Look. Bomb squad's gonna hit. Bim, pay ka muna, Bim. Yo, come back. Be careful on the choke. Ready? Root bound now. Nice defense. Yo, keep walking. Hold them now. That's it. South, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. All... Come back. Come back and spread. All my DPS, you need... Defend. Help your front.
OC na ba, Eurus? OC na ba?
Yeah, everybody OC. Don't need OC for this shit. OC now. Please, mag-ayos ng DPS, please. Wait, they're looking. Look. Just spread. Ready, wait. South 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. This everybody, boy. Oh my god, who bedrock that fucking shit, bro? Come back. Yo, can we kill this healer? Grab the healer in the back. Come back, boys. Come back. Everybody come back. Southeast 5, Southeast 4, walk, boots 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. And then come back. Ready your pots, ready your defense now. Ready your defense. Coming? Okay, everybody kite to the Terry. I'm waiting for my DPS. Help trick here. Yo, be careful over the walls. They have bomb squads. Come, help trick.
Mid-map mountain.
Trick, ba't nasa gitna ka doon, Trick? Come back. Come back, North. Wrap east and west. Wait now. Hide. Ready, they're looking east. Yo, walk on the back line now. Go to the fucking back line, boys. Ready, on 4, middle, 3, 2, 1. Middle now. And then spread. Hide inside. Ready, defense. Def now. They miss. Keep walking. Run them over northeast. Run them over northeast. There's a bomb squad southeast. Run them over northeast. There's a bomb squad in the middle. Be careful in the middle. Keep holding them. Come east. Ready east. 5, east 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. This is all of them. This. Fucking come back. Just come back. Fuck. This DPS. No, my DPS can fucking hit, bro. Come north. Stay in the Terry. If you fix your roll, please, hindi ka super. Yeah. I'll stay inside the area with you. Top up, boys. Heal your allies, boys.
Putang ina, naglag.
Ay, boy.
Eh.
Heal beam. You tell me if you're hitting, ah.
Curious, pwede pabigay ng party lead, mamark ko yung caller at bomb squad nila.
Sige. Nasaya na dun.
Okay, just engage. BS, careful.
Hello? Hello?
Nawala ka, Yurus, ah. Kanina, for like 5 seconds.
Hindi ako nagsalita talaga. Why are you all... Never mind. Just come back. They're gonna come back.
That application is pending. Sabi ako mamaya ko eh.
Bro.
Let all victory play.
Just come back here, please. Come back to me. Skits, I'll move you to the second party. Papasa na. Bisaya, come to me, Bisaya. Kita ka. Papasa ng party, Beam. Play slow, please. Play slow. Beam, papasa ng party, please. Thank you.
Hello? Where are you fighting it?
We are in Esker.
Frostbite, Chasm.
Ah, Chasam. Satsu, Bedrock ka, di ba? Gray. Make second party Gray, please. If you don't have party, join Gray. I need carving here. Oh. Sion, can you open the gate, Sion? Oh, really? Let them break the gate, and then hold your ground. Food OC if you need. Play your time, boys. Just chill. Look, I need somebody to... Bim, nakita mo na yung bomb squad caller?
Hinahanap ko para.
0-0 tank.
Gray, invite people.
Gate broken, Yurus, ah.
Yeah. Hold your ground. Don't run. Let them come. Yo, can we pull them in? Pull them in, Wes.
Patay si Bim.
Sorry.
Pull them in. They're farming you, my god. Just pull them in. Blight ka na, Gray. Satsu.
Patarget ng chariot.
Look, they're coming. Hold. Listen. DPS angle here. Look. Angle here on the front. Look at this. Southeast, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast south. And then come back. Ready your defense here. They're gonna hit you. Okay, give me tanks on the front, please. I need the bastion to the...
Ikatin niya.
Left. Oh my god. Yo, keep walk. Pats now. Walk. Walk, go to the back line. 5 on the choke. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke. Everybody hit the choke. Everybody. And then, wait. Come back. Finish the kills on the inside. Finish the kills on the inside. And then come back. My tanks, please. You need to fucking hold that shit, bro. Come on. Let them come in. Pay attention, please. Look, they're coming. Hold. Give me tanks on the front, please. Ready to stop them, please.
Careful, BS.
Careful, BS. Chen, wag ka dyan. Chen.
Target ng chariot.
Gear.
Ito yung caller.
Yo, walk in. Nice bounce here. Walk in. Just walk. Keep tanks hold. Walk in. Ready. Keep walking. Take your space, don't funnel on the choke. Be careful on the choke. South, 5 deep. 4, 3, 2, 1 on me.
Oh my god.
Okay, just chase them down.
Kill them all.
Nice bombs yun.
Touch them. The caller is dead.
Inside, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Yo. Solo demon. They're all outload. Kill them.
Tago na zone pa ako nila. Hilahin ko to.
Mount up. Are they coming back soon? Do we have people on portal? May tao ba tayo sa portal? Can you check if they're
Nandito,
really?
nandito ako. Nung ang video.
Sion, you're getting good with your bomb. Ha? Your bomb, it's improving. Good job. I was just waiting for the bomb to like hit. We can't like keep engaging. I don't know why people are. Guys, when we're fighting, right? I saw my healers like they can heal me from back. Okay, masyadong ano. I know the root trying to. Hindi talaga kailangan yun. Just do it. Sion, do you know if they're regearing?
Hindi sila nagre-regate. Okay. Wala.
Everybody mount up. Come to portal. No. Get the core. Put it on Ravin. Come northeast, boys, northeast. Help me with this thing. Their caller said, fuck your bum.
Gago.
Ang ano ang build ko, hindi wailing din.
Yun, look at general shots yun. Guys, Katsu, join group. Boys, relay the course so that we finish fast, please. Thank you.
Sino ba yan sila, boss?
Ayun, mga challenger lang.
Very day.
We need to feed Ravin with course so that we won't have headaches later. Another headache. I know it's very tiring, but join Gray. Join Gray. Let's go to Outpost after. Oh, actually, let's go Castle. 15 minutes lang. Go Ravin Castle.
Rodin Castle.
Do we have hammers even?
Doon na ako punta.
Be careful, bush and gankers. Help the core, please. Help the core. Relay the core. So yun, I'm going castle. Ravin. Yeah, fine.
Baka mag-gank yung mga yan. Tayo na lang natin.
Very expensive. Half of the party is not here. Craig, Ibang, Speed, Craig, Naki, Slow Power, Ravi.
Just ano nila.
Alright.
Rodin na ako, bossing lang.
Meron naman dito sa akin, ano. Patay ka, natag ka.
Pinatag ka.
Ay, wala.
Tumusak ko ka dun.
Yeah, Ravin. I'm already in TN. Yeah, I know. I saw it, bro. Good job. Boys, help the core, please. Yun. You know, you put Heron and then so very good. Yeah, because they cannot cleric, they cannot defend. Yeah, no sense.
Pwede ba daw ano, Rio? 7.3. License.
Sige, Mage. Basta ikaw, katakot ako kay Bim eh. Loko lang ah. I ship also, I ship. Let our ship sail. Sail, pero gantong sail. Benta. Awa, de pollut.